Good morning, Philippines. Hello, world. Today, we are going to have this repot with this copper golden anthurium foliage. So I hope to finish this video as fast as I can. So keep watching. First, we are going to pour in this. Oh, I see, it's just fully planted. This anthurium foliage is flip selling, but I think she's gorgeous. Healthy root system. Just this one broken. Maybe I'll just have to cut this. And then here we go for the potting. And then we have these aroid potting mix at the bottom, then the charcoal, and then arrange this one on a pot. Can you see it? Can you see it? Maybe I have to put this plant here so you'll have a better view. There. And then pour in charcoal. There's not enough charcoal, so I have to pour in again. And then it's finished. So it's finished. Very, very pretty plant. Thank you for watching. And the next we have this. Bye.